Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to do deduction on leave via Leaves app. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here a module, Dev Leave on Day Deduction. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to time off and see here this multiple employees, leave details. I want to deduction on this 30 June. Display here total 3 days. So first go to reporting menu and see here this menu, leave on day deduction. Now click on and select here 30 June. I want to deduct 1 day. Now update leave. So see here before display total 30 days and now total display here 2 days in 30 June date. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.